Hi, I'm Miss Lili from Lily's Music, doing a tutorial on Zydeco Step Excerpt 3 from Region 29, String, Orchestra, Cello Auditions. It is in 4/4, again G major, so C natural, F sharps. Let's take it at measure 27, double check that F natural, it's not an F sharp, it's an F natural. 29, make sure you are doing that hooked bowing. Same bowing. 30, 31, very similar to before. 32, you have a D, E, F natural, F sharp, G. Fingering there is just open 1, 2, 3, 4. 34 is when you start getting the slurs and the different style of bowing. So slur, up, down, up, down, up, down, down slur, up, don't rush the half note, 38, 40, again, the finger patterns are normal, no shifting or anything. Double check those slurs. I recommend practicing with open strings, like at 34, A. That's all your bow is doing. Your fingers are A, B, A, G, E. Once you put them together, that's where your brain can kind of start mixing things up. So I recommend doing your left hand only, your right hand only, and then putting them both together. Hopefully it helps. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll be more than happy to help you out. Good luck.